Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can restrict saving content on Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Telegram application, and first of all, I'm going to go to one of my group chats on Telegram. For example, I'm going to open up this group chat. Okay, and then we can click on the group chat's name here and open up the group chat setting. You can click on these three dots and then go to manage group, and you're going to go to the group type here, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the content protection. And if you want to activate restrict saving content feature, you just need to click on this toggle button like this, and now the restrict saving content has been activated, and the members of the group won't be able to copy, save, or forward content from this group. And I'm just going to click on save to save the setting. Okay, click on save again. And okay guys, that's all the way to restrict saving content on Telegram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.